Hi everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations. I have my fifth and final project using my design team package of Heartfelt Creations Friendship Rose Collection. It's really a beautiful collection. I had a lot of fun working with it and I made a lot of pretty things. This particular project is a decor piece and I'm focusing on the peach colors in this paper collection, and it turned out really pretty. So let me show you what I did. This is a really simple, quick project. I went to the Dollar Tree and I found one of these wood heart panels, and it already had a hanger with it, and it was a twine hanger. So the holes were already punched. I just took those out and then covered it with the pattern paper, and I just loved the colors in this. So I focused on the peach and the green. I used scraps of the pattern paper. This one is 4x6, and this one is 3x4. And I backed them on black artisan cardstock and then used those as photo mats on here. I used the heart lace from the paper or from the design team project, put that across the top, and then I added some bling from my stash. I just thought that was a really pretty pop of color. And then these flowers, look at that, it matched perfectly. These are from Graphic 45 and they were given to me by my friend Annette from Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations on Facebook. If you haven't checked that out, you really need to check it out. Not only do we, all share our tutorials and links, and you can get access to all of the designers in the group, but there's also some swap groups and things like that. So in a Happy Mail swap that I did with her, she sent me those flowers. So Annette, thank you if you're watching. I really appreciate it, and they worked perfectly for this project. So I added my flowers there. I've got my lace. It's just really pretty. This could be used solely for Valentine's Day if you want, but it also could totally be, a year-round project. It's really a pretty piece. I changed the handle out, or the hanger I should say, from the twine, because I didn't think the twine really worked, to some black cord that I had in my stash. And then I had a beautiful peach ribbon that added just that little touch up there, and it matched perfectly with the paper, so I think the color scheme is just really gorgeous. I just love how it turned out. So I just wanted to share that with you. Just another quick idea. I have completely exhausted my package of papers from this collection, so I'm done now. But this is like the fifth project that I have made with it, so I really got a lot of use out of it. I really was able to stretch it and do a lot with it. Go to Country Craft Creations at countrycraftcreations.com. Check out the paper collections and more. There's tons of stuff out there. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon with more tutorials. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.